Hey guys, it's Luke, your Digital Concierge here at Gramophone, and today we're going to be talking about something extremely useful but often overlooked. The Flexson Wall Mount for the Sonos Move. Flexson is a company committed to making high-quality mounting solutions for Sonos products. They take something like the Sonos Move, which is already an incredibly convenient and well-performing product, and make it even more so by giving you more options for where you can put it in your home. Their products are so good at what they do that they've actually won awards for their patents. The Flexson Wall Mount for the Sonos Move is made out of a high-quality steel. It is finished on each end with a UV-resistant silicone pad to help secure the speaker in place very well. It's suitable for use both indoors and outdoors and comes in at just under $30. It's really simple and convenient. So it uses the built-in handle of the Move to hold it up, and using the silicone feet just friction fits into the top and the bottom. You can see the longer part slots into the top, and of course the bottom goes down here. That's it. Your Move will now hang on the wall and can easily be removed from it. So whether you want to take it off to charge it or to just take it with you, as it is a Sonos Move, there you have it. And it's incredibly easy to get installed as well. Also, this can be used on a brick wall, on drywall, or on a wood wall, thanks to the conveniently supplied mounting options they give you. Now, if a wall mount isn't what you need, Flexson also makes a floor standing mount for the Sonos Move, and we will be making a video on that, so be sure to check that out too. But while you're here, make sure you click that link down below and head on over to skybygramophone.com to get one of these super convenient mounts for yourself. You can check out securely and you'll receive fast and free shipping straight to your door. Also, be sure to stop by one of our showroom locations in Timonium, Columbia, Gaithersburg, and our Kitchen Design Center in Hunt Valley, Maryland. Whether you're looking for project ideas, need to schedule a service request, or would like to speak to one of our hi-fi, home theater, and interior design experts, get inspired at gramophone.com. And if you have any questions for me, ask at gramophone.com. If you enjoyed this video, guys, give us a like and drop a comment down below, and make sure you subscribe to the Gramophone channel for all of your audio and home theater needs. But I want to hear from you guys. What do you think of the Flexson products, and what do you want to see from me in the future? As always, thank you so much for watching. Be seeing you.